Hey, this is Marques. We worked out a special deal with the guys over at Happy Themes where we are giving you lifetime access to the pro versions of all of their themes for a one-off price where you save 50% off of the regular price. So this is a great, great deal. Want you to take full advantage of this. There's no timetable on when this offer will end. So if you're seeing this video, that means the coupon is still active and you should get on it right away. So Happy Themes has a variety of different themes. They're all fast loading, SEO friendly. They are mobile responsive. They are really well crafted themes. Now there are free versions of all of their themes. What I do, if you click on the link anywhere in this blog post, if you're watching on YouTube, just click on the link to get in the description to get to the blog post, and it will take you to this page right here. So Happy Themes will take you to this WordPress themes page. The best way to view this is if you click on full view versus grid view, and you can go through and see all of the themes that they currently have available. Now with this lifetime deal, you also get access to all the future themes that they create as well. Okay, so I think in 2017 they created, I think like 16 or 17 themes, something like that. And they're going to come out with 10 to 12 themes per year. So that means that you not only get instant access to all of these themes, but all of their future themes as well. They all include developer license, so you can do whatever you want with them, whether it's building sites for clients or doing things like flipping sites. I mean, you could build blogs out of these, review sites, absolutely anything. So they have different themes and they're good for any sort of project. Now you can view the free version of the theme and you can download those. But with this special offer, you are getting the pro version of each of these themes. And the pro version, you can do awesome stuff. It includes more advertising space right here, like banner ads for these, for instance. It includes a coupon system. So if I view the pro demo, you can see that not only this up here, if we get a coupons, you can see all coupon codes or category layout. And there's also different types of layouts for like the blog itself. So there are a couple of different options. These are super, super easy to use. Now you can even change the home page to feature different things. So if we wanted like coupons featured on the home page, we could do coupons, and then below that are all the blog posts. And you can see in here, like this is like the same way. So I mean, there's a ton of different options with these to display your content. They are well crafted. These guys have been doing this for a really, really long time. So to gain access to all of their pro themes for a one-off price and save 50%, all you need to do is click on this sign up button, or for the pricing button, what you want to do is choose lifetime access, click on sign up now, and right here, lifetime access, $99. When you enter our coupon code, say 52, you will see that that has been taken down to $47. And that is no monthly, no yearly fee, nothing like that. You get lifetime access, you get all of the updates and absolutely everything. So I really hope you guys take advantage of this. It's an excellent value. We reached out to them and negotiated this deal, so it's not something that just fell into our lap, because we always want to give you guys the best possible value. So thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you head on over to Happy Themes, that you use our coupon code and get instant access, lifetime access for only $47.